Now, that's the inside of a house. Now we're going to talk about different buildings for houses. First, this is an apartment building. This is an apartment building. It has apartments in it. Okay? So this is an apartment building. It has apartments in it. And in some countries, they are called flats. Okay? So this is an apartment building. It has apartments in it. In North America, they're called apartments. And in places like the UK, Australia, New Zealand, they're called flats. But it's the same. Okay? Now, here's another one. This is a duplex. Duplex. Dup is two. This is a duplex. So two houses are together. Two houses are together. Okay? So this is a duplex. Two houses are together. Now, here comes some more. This is a townhouse. This is a townhouse. Many houses are together. This is a house. This is a house. This is a villa. This is a villa. This is a palace. This is a palace. This is a cabin. This is a cabin. And this is a tent. This is a tent. Now again, this is an apartment building. It has apartments in it, or flats. This is a duplex. Two houses are together. This is a townhouse. Many houses are together. This is a house. This is a villa. This is a palace. This is a cabin. This is a tent. Okay, now let me ask you some questions. Susan, do you live in a tent?
No, I live in a flat.
Ah, I see. Isabel, do you live in a cabin?
No, I don't. I live in an apartment.
Ali, do you live in a house?
No, I live in a palace. I live in an apartment.
Okay, you really live in an apartment. All right.
Teacher, where do you live?
In Canada, I live in a house. Here, I live in an apartment. Thank you very much. Now, it's time to look and listen.
Look and listen.
The Queen lives in a palace. The President lives in a villa. My aunt lives in a house. I live in an apartment.
Read and repeat.